We have some really awesome leaks surrounding the DJI Mavic 3. Let's jump into it. But before we do, I want to thank our sponsor, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow my YouTube channel. Definitely check that out in the link in the description below. But let's jump into it. So we've got a lot of new leaks surrounding the DJI Mavic 3, including a new release date, leaked photos of the battery, and a lot more DJI products. Where do I even begin? Let's start with these leaked photos of the DJI Mavic 3. So we have some pretty great shots of what the battery is going to look like. Now this battery is going to slide in from the back of the drone, so no longer going in on the top, much like the Phantom series. And with that comes a new design, as we are seeing in these photos, a much welcome new design and a huge upgrade for the DJI Mavic 3. I actually never liked the top loading battery on the DJI Mavic 2. If the batteries would swell up, they could pop out of the top of the drone, which obviously poses a safety risk. So this new battery is much needed and very welcome in my opinion. As you can see here, Jasper Ellen tweeted, "When you see the DJI Mavic 3 battery professional photos, you know the marketeers will get their information to set up web shops. The size is 124 by 44 by 42. It has 30% bigger capacity and 46 minutes of flight time, which is unbelievable. 46 minutes. Right now with my Mavic 2 Pro batteries, I currently get about 25 minutes, and the batteries are about a year old, so sometimes even less, 20 minutes, especially out here in Arizona where it's super hot. So 46 minutes is incredible. We also are seeing this shot here of the DJI Mavic 3 on a tripod, seemingly. Basically, this Drone XL article says, maybe the most exciting photo of the set is this one. It shows the DJI Mavic 3 folded and taped to a tray plate on a tripod, likely to test the video recording capabilities of the drone. The person that is visible in the photo has been blurred in an effort to keep his identity secret. We can see that he is likely holding the remote controller, and we already know from the DJI Air 2S that will come standard with the DJI Mavic 3. The new RC Pro, basically the new DJI Smart Controller version 2.0, will come with the much more expensive DJI Mavic 3 Cinema Premium combo. And if you want to know about the different Mavic 3s that they're going to be releasing, definitely check out my last Mavic 3 leaks video. Now, we do have some updates about the release date. So originally in my last video, I said that the release date was November 20th, which was wrong, but it wasn't totally wrong because we're actually going to be getting a new DJI product on November 20th, and it's rumored to be a camera, like an actual professional video camera for cinematography, which is super awesome. I do video too with my business. Right now my setup is fine, but I'm definitely interested to see what DJI brings to the table with this new camera that is supposedly being released on the 20th. On November 27th, we're then going to get another release, but not of the Mavic 3, of a new DJI Osmo Action. And this is going to have a very modular type of design. I don't know much about it because I haven't really been keeping up with it, but I'm definitely excited to see what DJI brings to the table there. And now finally, the Mavic 3, which will be released on November 5th, according to these new leaks. So this is very exciting. 3 new DJI products. The DJI Mavic 3 coming on November 5th with a new battery, a new upgraded dual camera system, 46-minute battery. I mean, this is going to be a huge upgrade. Honestly, I'm surprised. I've gotten in my own comment section some haters of the Mavic 3. They're saying it's ugly. They're saying it's not going to be worth the upgrade. These people have no idea what they're talking about. A lot of the time, these are like newbies in the drone world. If you've been paying attention to these leaks and you've seen everything that's came out in the leaks and what the actual product is going to be, as we're seeing with the photos, we know that this is a huge upgrade and a much needed one, especially for professionals like myself that use these drones to make a living. I'm excited to get a new camera, basically a new flying camera, and bring something new to the table for not only my clients, but also my YouTube channel and my Instagram. And just having this new drone is going to be so awesome, and I'm so excited for it. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about the DJI Mavic 3. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.